Unusual motion detection is a new artificial intelligence that Avigilon just introduced. Think about all the information we ingest from the world, and your brain doesn't necessarily pay attention to everything. It prioritizes what's important and what's not so important, and that importance prioritization really comes from a focus of attention mechanism. And one of the important focus of attention mechanisms that the human brain has is this notion of surprise. That notion of surprise is what we have captured within unusual motion detection as an artificial intelligence that continuously self-learns. One of the ways that UMD helps is by removing the need for an operator to constantly watch video to detect that one small bit of suspicious activity that might be relevant for some future bad outcome that might or might not occur. We all know that humans have a very limited attention span, especially for monotonous tasks. That attention span tends to wane very quickly after about 20 minutes. So imagine a security operator having to monitor tens, if not hundreds or thousands of cameras. What UMD does is it does that watching for you without any prior setup, without any explicit rules or anything else that need to be configured ahead of time, and allows that operator to very quickly browse hours or days of recorded video across multiple cameras. UMD today focuses on motion, so it's unusual motion detection. As part of our overall analytics strategy and overall AI strategy, we're starting to develop rich descriptors. We have just introduced the ability to search based upon gender, based upon age, based upon clothing color, etc. Now, as you look at the richness of that metadata evolving over time, we not only want activity detection based purely on motion, but also based upon what is it that we're actually seeing. Is it normal for us to see people clothed in a particular way? Is it normal for people to be carrying large bags? Is it normal for someone to have a badge that says that their identity is X, but they're really somebody totally different? Those types of unusual activity detection is what we're building on based upon the metadata that we're generating. So we are working on making our descriptive artificial intelligence even more intelligent, and we're leveraging unusual activity detection to add relevance to everything that we're describing. It actually makes analytics truly as easy as just installing a camera and recording the video coming out of it and then looking at the video live, but now allowing a focus of attention mechanism to automatically guide your attention to the events that are important.